Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Alexis Crook. I am a customer success manager here at ProSymmetry. In today's use case video, I am going to be talking through the ability to streamline the creation of projects for similar projects. So the specific use case here is project managers and/or whoever is typically responsible for creating new projects within Tempus. They want to create those projects that have similar aspects to other projects. So this is achievable in Tempus by, first off, sizing your projects and then creating these project templates, and then using those templates to populate new project information with the appropriate demand. All right, I'm now sharing my screen within a Tempus environment. I'm going to navigate to project management here. And I've got a view created that shows two pretty simple project templates, just to kind of give an example of what these templates could look like. So I have created a size large project template and a size small project template, but feel free to create whatever sizing values make the most sense to you and naming conventions. In this case, I'm going to navigate into this size large project template. And what I have done here is created the demand for a typical size large project. So I've got my demand planning resources, business analyst, account manager, so on this project. I have assigned them an allocation of, in the first case, 5 FTE per month. And this is just showing the typical need for this type of project. The last thing that I would like to show is the ability to import a project template and its information into a project that already exists. So if I navigate into project management, I'm going to go to this project named Atlas Project. I have created this project as an initial plan as I knew that there were these two resources that I wanted to work on this project. I have also filled out some attributes. I was just kind of getting the project started here. But now that I'm at this point, I actually want it to reflect a little bit more similarly to a size large project. So what you can do is within this existing project that already exists, I can import from template. So I'm going to choose my size large project here, and I'm going to leave everything turned on. I want all of this information from my template into my new project, but just know that you can choose to toggle on or off each of those options. When I apply that, it is going to make me confirm. And you can now see a few things. The dates of my project have been updated, as well as the resources on my project and their assignments have been updated to reflect that size large template. I do also want to point out that those two original resources that I have added to this project did persist on this project as well. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching.